Hi my loves, welcome back to my page. Today I will be showing you how to use the looping method or interlocking method while making your beaded bag. If you haven't subscribed yet to my page, make sure you click the subscribe button and join our creative family. Let us jump right into today's video. So right now, this is a medium size mat for a medium beaded bag. I am almost done here. So let us start. Then you are going firstly, you are going to pass your left hand fishing line inside the bead that is facing it. Then you pull tight. Don't forget to pull tight. Then you take your bead, 2 sugar beads. Can you see? Then you are going to add 1, 2. So the second one, it is not going to go down with the first one. You are going to take your fishing line and do it like that. Then you secure it and then so you are going to pass the second fishing line. You turn your hands round, can you see? And then you pull. Make sure you pull tight. Pull very tight to achieve a very sturdy bag. Can you see? And then we are going to do the second one. You pull your fishing line into the next bead, then you pull out. After after pulling out, you are going to take 2 sugar beads, 1, 2. So the second one, you are going to do it like the first one. You're going to pass it back inside the last sugar bead on your right hand side, and then you take the fishing line on your left hand side, pull it inside the fishing line in your right hand side, and then you twist your hand and you pull tight. You are going to pull it very tight. Make sure you pull tight. Then the next step, you are going to do it like that. Your right hand fishing line, you are going to take 2 sugar beads, 1, 2, and then you are going to put it inside the second sugar bead, then pass it through your left hand fishing line, then you pull tight. So this particular ring of 4, I used to call it a dead point. Yes, because then you are not going to do it like the other ones. You are going to pull your fishing line into the next bead. You turn your work around. So on your right hand side, you are going to take 2 sugar beads because we are facing another row. You take 2 sugar beads, 1, and the second one, 2. So you pull your fishing line inside the second bead for interlocking or looping. Yeah. So this is passing it through it, then you know how we do it, and then you pull like that. Our fishing line is facing the upper part for us to be able to do another step. So that is how to achieve a looping method. Don't forget, you pull tight to secure your beading mat. So this is how my mat is looking, very hard and sturdy. It is looking neat. So if you enjoy my video, please do well to subscribe and also join this family. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.